Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer EV charging cards with Shell Recharge, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your EV charging card with Shell Recharge, start by opening the Shell Recharge app on your device. Log in to your existing account using your credentials. Navigate to the Accounts section from the main menu. Locate the option for Manage Charging Cards. Select the charging card you wish to transfer. Tap on the Transfer Card button. Enter the recipient's account information as prompted. Confirm that the recipient is a registered Shell Recharge user. Review the transfer details carefully before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. You should receive a notification when the transfer is completed. Inform the recipient to accept the card in their Shell Recharge app. The recipient will need to log in to their account. They should navigate to the Notifications section. Once they accept the transferred card, it will appear in their account. Both users will receive confirmation emails regarding the transfer. In case of any issues, contact Shell Recharge customer support for assistance. Ensure that any pending payments linked to the card are resolved before transferring. This process can typically be completed in a matter of minutes. Now you know how to successfully transfer your EV charging card with Shell Recharge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.